guys, my name's Kaylin. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing this DIY rustic quote sign. So to get started, I just have a 12-inch by 18-inch board, my quote stencil, some black and white acrylic paint, some wood stain, this one's a dark walnut, some tin stars I use for an embellishment, and then these are cosmetic sponge wedges that we will use for our stenciling. So first up, we just need to get the base coat on the board. So I just took my black paint and a foam brush, and you just want to cover the whole board. So once that's dry, I just took a piece of sandpaper and sanded down all the edges. I just love this effect on a sign. I think it makes it really rustic and cute, and especially with a black sign, it just really brings out those sanded edges so much. So I'm just working my way around here and getting all the edges sanded. Alright, so once we're done with that, we can work on getting our stencil prepped. You're just going to line it up where you want it on there, and then I just use Scotch tape to tape it down and make sure it's held in place so you don't want it moving around at all while you're stenciling. Okay, and then these sponge wedges, I get these from Dollar General. My mom told me about this, and I absolutely love this kind of stencil hack. I just rip one in half so I get, two out of each one, and take that one half and dip it in the paint. And then you can see here, I'll just kind of dab off that excess paint. That's a really important part. You just want to make sure there's not too much paint on there so it kind of decreases the amount of bleed through the stencil. And then it's just a simple up and down dabbing motion across the stencil. I tried to do like a real time here so you can see the technique. And then we'll speed it up. But if you have any questions at all on the technique, what I use, anything, leave me a comment down below. I'd be happy to answer it for you. And it does take some patience, but I promise it's worth it, because it does make for a beautiful sign. Also, I will leave a link in the description to where I got this stencil. If you want to go and check it out, if you want to pick out this one or another quote that you like even more, then I will leave that link down below for you to check it out. So moment of truth, both scary and exciting when you go to remove this to see how it turned out. As you can see, the patience does pay off. It makes her a pretty cute sign. So it's not perfect, and that's fine, because it's a rustic sign. So, any imperfections when it's like rustic or country looking, it just adds character. Alright, so next up I just grabbed my stain and an old t-shirt and just rub that stain all over the front part here, all over the wording. It really it gives such a nice effect to the letters. And then we have our tin stars here. I just added some stain to this to darken it up to match the sign a little bit more. And then threw some glue on the back there. Throw it on the top of the sign there, and that's it. So you can see the color from the staining a little better here. I love this effect. on a sign. So it turned out really cute, and honestly it's so much cuter in person that it's picking up on camera too. So again, you know, if you guys have any questions at all, please leave me a comment down below. I'd be happy to answer them for you. And you know, if you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button. I'm still new around here, so if you enjoy crafts and cakes and just creative stuff, hit the subscribe button to see my future videos. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next adventure.